Hey people, so off late I've been, I'm trying to turn towards spirituality and like in these confusing times, right? So there is this page called Akashic Center for Healing. I mean, I'm part of this WhatsApp group and it's been started by this classmate of mine from CFIL, or now it's called FLU, right? English and Foreign Language University. And it is so amazing, yeah, this one the, the Akashic Center for Healing, because they not just teach you access bars and quantum healing, but also I've heard of past life regression. In fact, I've been for a past life regression center through Art of Living, the Eternity Process, when I was 21. But in this Akashic Center for Healing, they even do something known as future progression, like, so I find that so amazing, yeah. So uh, Teja is the name of this friend who, she runs this whole cute, the Akashic Center for Healing. And y'all can just find her profile on Instagram, and or y'all can connect with me on Instagram. It's Amrita Suresh 111, and I can help you, because certain things are so unique that we just need to check it out. So it is the Akashic Center for Healing, and it's a Vizag based, this the healing center. But these days online classes are the new thing, right? So do check it out, people. It is because I feel through my channel I want to, these very unique, special things, more people should know about it. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.